Hello there. How are you guys doing today? So you caught me writing a letter to my friend. It says, Dear friend, I hope you are well. Sincerely, Jacob from the North Branch. I'll put that to the side for a moment. And I would just like to say welcome everybody, and we'll go ahead and get started. So what we're going to be doing today is a little magic in the library. But to get started with magic, I figured that I could show you how to make a wand. It's super quick, super easy, and before we get started, I'll go ahead and go over a list of things you might need. So you can do this at home, with your parents, of course, with some hot glue. So I got some hot glue right here. You'll need some paint. I got some brown and some black paint. You'll need a cup of water. So I got a cup of water. You'll need a brush, which, give me one moment. Boop, got my brush. Okay, so you need a brush, and of course, you need something to put the paint on. So I got some coffee filters. You can use a bowl, plastic bowl, plate, whatever you want. I'm using some filters today. And you'll need a stick. So you can use a stick from outside. You could use some chopsticks, or like me, you can use a skewer. That's what I got here today. All right, so we're just gonna lay some of this down. This is just some paper to keep it from getting on the table. And we'll go ahead and get started. So, well, there we go. We made our very first wand. So, with that one, if you noticed, I used our hot glue with a skewer, and the trick with the hot glue is to put it on however you want, usually for the handle, but you can decorate it however you want using the hot glue. You let the hot glue dry, and then once the hot glue's dried, you can pick out any colors you want, and you can paint it any way you want. I did brown and I did black, but as you know from the movies, they can be any color they want. You could even put some sparkles on there if you have some glitter glue. If that's really your personality, just make it however you want to make it. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I did make one ahead of time. This one's kind of special to me because I put a lot of effort into it. Doesn't make it look good because I'm not an artist. But I tried my best to make what looks like an elder wand. So definitely, any of you could probably do a lot better, and I invite you to make yours and put them in pictures in the comments below. But so for now, this will do just fine for our magic in the library. So now that we have our wand, we're going to do a little bit of magic in the library. So the first thing we have to do is, well, there's a little trick I'd like to show you with this, because I think we'll need something a little bit more real than this. So once you have whatever wand you have, to make it real, you just do, like in the movies when you do the swish and the flick for the Wingardium Leviosa, but instead of saying Wingardium Leviosa, you say, I want to be a real wizard. So you go, Wingardium Leviosa, but instead you say, I want to be a real wizard. Whoa, look at that. It's a real elder wand. See, I told you it works. All you have to do, and as you can tell, my elder wand was terrible, but you can make a better one, and as long as you know what you're trying to make, it's going to turn out just like this. You do a swish and a flick, and you say, I want to be a real wizard, and you can have your own wand. So this is a real elder wand. So, come on, we're gonna go ahead and do some more real magic. Let's go to the bookshelves.
practice. Woohoo!